top stories. Cabinet to hold review meeting soon. RBI ban to be lifted, says Chief Minister N. Biren. Take the pledge of practicing yoga in everyday life, says Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah. And VM college students threaten agitation over shortage of teaching staff. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, accompanied by ministers and officials, inspected the ongoing project work of rejuvenation and conservation of Nambul River, which is one of his ambitious projects to prevent pollution in Nambul River. The project Rejuvenation and Conservation of Nambul River aims at controlling pollution of the Nambul River by intercepting and treating urban waste. The Directorate of Environment, Government of Manipur is implementing Rs 97.72 crore project under the National River Conservation Plan of the Union Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change. Biren stressed on the need to conserve main rivers of the state that pass through Imphal and Greater Imphal areas, which are in a highly polluted state. The Chief Minister said the first phase of dredging the river will be done at the earliest. He also encouraged the local clubs and organizations to join door-to-door garbage collection initiated by the Imphal Municipal Corporation and concerned NGOs, an initiative to save the main rivers from pollution, which subsequently will help conserve Loktak Lake, the pride of the state.
Totally ising polluted wherever. Adagi garbage mayam paisa leba mayam cha aduna garbage ingji hujikti home door-to-door collection ji Imphal Municipality na yum da sangaga garbage loba horani so that maram di turiel da kari da lambi da langthokna ba. Then second point da hojiki sigi Nambul special project si masigi sina khoi a iroi sembada ki torkanda nakan da sigi turien sigi nakan da pipe tinga kani khoi pipe si ting da lekai da ki tholoi ba SURAJ ki aduguma phattaba kano singse pipe si da tahalani ba turien da tahaloi ba aduga pipe si ada kano babo pudori khoina moksangai ba Moksangai da madai da treatment plan ama khoi sagadori madugi treatment plan du da treat tawruba matung da pure water oina Loktak ka takina bagi madugi scheme duni aduna is a fast phase ni Nambul gi se aduna mayam da so ina appeal tawjining base people sing da hoi nangai langthokpam khotangpam leite bodagi tawne hojikti yum da garbage collection su laani aduga yaragadi kondhong da kari da plastic da phajana khawam da hapa ka thamaga turien da kari da lambi da langthokta bi da ko madumai tawbiyo ina Manipur gi river side ta praja sing na maro ina appeal tawni.
Talking about the current overdraft issue, Chief Minister Biren said the cabinet will hold a review meeting soon to take a call on the recruitment process. He also said that the overdraft issue is over and RBI ban will be lifted soon.
4-5 crores okay central taxes here aduga 400 crore okay open market borrowing gido ngasai ayuk yahorak pasida aigi WhatsApp sidaida okay principal secretary finance dagi RBI dagi tharak okay zero balance do overdraft zero tare hebedo madugi do lakh manida ano hoji formal letter di RBI na okay da noi overdraft letter have a formal letter madi lakini but in figure RBI na thadok pota Facebook ka thakachakramni overdraft tabado overdraft to zero balance oire na dum de madu akhoi amtang cabinet review tawgi id laidiba situation se karmaina satpi ai kedo bui have ko madu gi khitang section tharon na khoi cabinet amtang phamaga review tor kanda tangai phadna recruitment horuba sing do haidok sira haido isolation sira kamai tawsige do amala lakani.
Attending an international Yoga Day event at Indoor Stadium Khuman Lampak Sports Complex, Imphal, along with hundreds of other enthusiasts, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren urged the public to embrace yoga as practicing yoga can enhance positivity, healthy mindset and bring development and a peaceful life. Yoga is an ancient concept of discipline and it is globally accepted as a scientific system for maintenance of health and life. He added, he said that maintaining unity and integrity of the state will not be possible unless its people have nationalistic feeling among themselves. The event was jointly organized by Directorate of Ayush, National Ayush Mission, Manipur and Youth Affairs and Sports Department.
University minds of our minds be stronger and further concentrate. We can we will get back and the greediness nature. Normally, it's one of the political head, you walk over. I ain't told the celebrity. As it is peaceful.
Highlighting the importance of yoga in one's life, Governor of Manipur Dr. Najma Heptullah today called upon all to take the pledge of practicing yoga in their everyday life. She urged each and everyone to practice yoga as it is beneficial for the body as well as for the soul. She also stressed the need for promoting and spreading the essence of message of yoga to all to bring peace and harmony in the state. She said this during the 5th International Yoga Day held at Darbar Hall, Raj Bhavan. The governor expressed her gratitude to the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, for uplifting yoga internationally, due to which people all over have realized the importance of yoga, and urged each and everyone to embrace yoga for healthy and harmonious lifestyle.
Well, it was a yoga day. Every year we do it at Raj Bhavan. So today also we did it. All over the world people are doing yoga. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has made it so popular all over the world. And it is good for physical health and also the mental peace. And I think people should make a habit of doing yoga.
Postgraduate students of DM College of Arts under Dhanmanjuri University has threatened to launch a series of democratic protests if the authority concerned fails to send required number of qualified teachers at the earliest. Speaking to media at the PG block of DMC of Arts today, students representative Sangthem Nonglemba Maite stated that classes have been completely halted since June 15 as teachers engaged in PG courses were withdrawn. The teachers have been withdrawn from the PG engagement, citing lack of official appointment to teach PG classes, maintaining that there is a high chance of losing many academic days due to the present crisis. Nonglemba added that a memorandum appealing to address their grievances has also been submitted to the Minister of Education through his personal assistant. Students have set June 25th as the deadline for the authority to listen to their demand and act accordingly, failing which democratic form of agitation will be launched.
Education Minister unaba chacharubani adubu Education Minister out of station oirambadagi ngasi akoi unaba makti phangjaraktre adubu magi OSD na chingba PSC chingbada akoi go wahom sing thambirami aduga pochi urgent oibanina minister da wahom singji hongdok piraga yam thuna initiative lawbiu intervention do tawbiu na koi tamai thamjarambani ada akoi na thamjaraba wafam da June gi lagliba June gi tang kun ga mari habdi numi humni gi matam sipauda mari leinaba authority sina mathakta leiba authority na initiative lobira kanda akoi potche fruitful oiba settlement amada pubirakpa aduga laiba tang manga thangnaba numit numisidagi akoi gi hana gi normal class ya mo hana resume tawbiu na koina satra singi maikai dagi adumain thamjaning ban.
Well, it's time now for a short break.
Hello.
Hello. Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tawge haradi.
Oh, phau pambi thabiyo.
Okay. Chahi taragi plan tawge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina अफब स्कूल हाइदी
लनाई कोचिंग तौबगी अवाब लेहंदबा स्कूल दुदा अदुम चांग नायना कोचिंग तौहनबा
ममा मपागा चा मनना वारक वातेंबीबा
जिम एरोबिक डांस फुटबॉल थांगता
ममांगदा 12 एग्जाम की टॉपर सु पुथोखरबा
ख्वाइदगी चौबा नानबा ख्वाइदगी फब स्कूल
लास्ट पाखों करी स्कूल नो
स्लोपलैंड पब्लिक स्कूल खोंगजोम चुमब्रा
चुम्मे यम खंगिको
Yes, only Slopeland Public School, Khongjom.
My name is Kumkumgang May. I'm a student of Comet. Comet's teaching techniques and tips for exam were very helpful. The teachers are very supportive, which inspired me to do well in my exam. I want to thank Comet for guiding me and supporting me throughout my preparation for the exam. In my opinion, Comet is the best coaching center.
Pabiyu, Nainabiyu, Tanabiyu, Lamjingba Times. Makhal Mathilgi Khudol, Maru Oiba Pau, local, national, international, Sanabungi Paugdam. Mahiro Singinamak, Maitai Mayekda, Akanana, Mapung Faraba Paung Singba, Lamjingba Times, Lamjingba Times. Isa Isagi Pau said Hadariba Hawker Singda Haibiraga, Lobiba Yaragani.
Welcome back after the break. India Tourism Imphal, Ministry of Tourism, Government of India and Business Excellence Group have jointly observed the 5th International Day of Yoga under the theme Harmony and Peace at Nongpok Sanjenbam, Langai village today. Around 200 individuals participated in the event. Several resource persons attended the yoga session and delivered speech on the importance of yoga to the local residents. Member of Business of Excellence, K.V. Pangambam said, yoga has increasingly become an integral part of life and practice across the world.
Masa loy nabo yamna popular orba amani aduga yoga gi se khonna yamna mamangda yamna important urum daba hajik nomo nomo gi mi myam sina help se consult tor matungda awareness mayam am khak leire aduna yoga asida khwadi gi best exercise amani haina prithibi gi mafam yamma da loy nabo simi am khanar mani.
Government and private organization in Thoubal district also observed International Day of Yoga today. District Police Thoubal, under the aegis of Superintendent of Police S. Ibomcha along with his subordinates, observed the day at SP Thoubal office complex. BJP Khangabok Mandal also organized the International Yoga Day at Khangabok Makhalikai Community Hall under the theme Yoga with Guru. Former Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh T.H. Jadumani along with the workers performed yoga asanas during the program. Subsidiary Training Center Border Security Force Churachandpur observed the 5th International Day of Yoga where more than 650 personnel took part. It was organized under the theme Yoga for Heart, Stay Healthy under the aegis of IGSTC, BSF LK Mehta, officers, subordinate officers and staffs of STC, BSF Churachandpur, Kendra Vidyalaya Churachandpur, personnel of 1st IRB and leaders of Simte Youth Organization Churachandpur also attended the program. Royal Academy of Law RAL Oinam also observed 5th International Day of Yoga at the seminar hall of the Academy today. RAL Secretary O. Ibo Choba Singh, Social Worker Sarat Chandra Singh, RAL Treasurer O. Nimai Chan and Principal L. Jugeshwar attended the function. Addressing the gathering, L. Jugeshwar stated that yoga will help in leading a prosperous life with mental tranquility. Many seniors spoke about the benefits of yoga and also performed yoga.
Ichani shumaina wakal nupa khuding akhoi inauni iyambani ipani itoni si wakal sida khoi khanaraga lere kansida purity of the
month-long activities related to yoga carried out by troops of Inspector General of Assam Rifles South culminated today with the celebration of 5th International Day of Yoga. Assam Rifles, under the aegis of the IGAR South, coordinated participation of all CAPF and families at the massive state-level event organized by Directorate of Ayush, Government of Manipur at Khuman Lampak Indoor Stadium. The Assam Rifles personnel, along with other CAPF, joined the civil populace and participated in the common yoga protocol conducted at the stadium. Approximately 1,400 personnel, including troops and families, participated in the event. Let's take a short break once again.
Gitam University Visakhapatnamda BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure: BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility: BSc class 12 pass, physics, chemistry, biology and English 60% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singgi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tobiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tobirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277.
Manipur ki ahanba private satellite channel Tom TV, Times of Manipur Cable TV service athuba matamda hauziragani. Lamjingba Group ki unit ama oiriba Tom TV Cable Networking Service ki distributor kharasu pamjai. Hena kupamarol gidamak Nagamapal Rims Road Nityananda Temple manakta laiba Lamjingba Group ki corporate building natraga ikhugi mobile number 8132089758 asida contact tawiru. Khudong chaba si manghanbiganu.
Smart Universal Academy da class 9 tamlibi mahiroi Elangam Reshma Devina Indian Space Research Organization na sponsored taukiba Sri Harikota amasung Nesak Shillong da pangthokiba Young Scientist Program da mahakna group leader oiba group aduna identification of water by satellite imaging haiba project asina second position tarakpada school management teaching and non-teaching staff Smart Universal Academy na nungaiba amasung apenba pungdokset.
Welcome back. Under the supervision of ex-Chief Minister and MLA of Thobal Assembly Constituency, Okram Ibobi, the river banks near Ingkhol Achobo of Thobal, Wangmataba was repaired. President of Social Service and Welfare Association SSAWA, L. Ingobi loaded O Ibobi for repairing the river banks at their request. Federation for All Tribal Youth Clubs has warned of serious form of agitation against failure to take up road construction work at Ramrai village area despite funds for the work has been withdrawn. Addressing a press meet held at the Manipur Press Club today, President of the Federation R. Asing said a memorandum has been submitted to the Chief Secretary regarding the matter today. He cautioned that if their genuine demand is not converted into action in time, the matter pertaining to embezzlement of public fund for road construction would be taken up to the centre, apart from initiating intense form of protest against the apathy.
Fidel Tam ki khun leiriba Chatong area sida 10 km se paisa lo thokhiba during model code of conduct matam sida thabak tawdabida maduna ekhoina masi we condemn maduna athubada government namasi thabak oina paikhat pininga ekhoina request tawjabni tawdragadi ekhoidi masida lepoy ekhoi center phau chakani maduna asai ekhoi chief secretary to unare manasu assurance ti pire adubo within a short span of period masi pangthokdragadi ekhoidi ekhoina tawbham thokbado ekhoidi we will go ahead with our mission.
The house of one Firenbam Kumar of Ngangkhalawai, Awanglekai, Ward number 1 under Moirang of Bisnupur district caught fire around 2:30 last night. Sources said the fire started when PH Tombi, wife of PH Kumar, left a candle burning unattended after she used it for pickle packaging last night. During the fire, property worth rupees 6 lakh including rupees 15,000 in cash and other assets were destroyed. Since the victim family is a daily wage earner, they appealed to the state government and other generous people for help. The fire spread to 2 neighboring houses, but Moirang Fire Service managed to douse the fire on time. The house owner P. Kumar sustained back and hand injuries in the fire incident. The All Manipur Students Union MSU today organized Winning Our Struggle Scholarship 2019 and award distribution ceremony at the Library Hall of MSU Headquarter Office, Imphal. Senior Lecturer, District Institute of Education and Training, died Imphal DM College campus, and Dhanabanta, President of MSU Peter Laishram, and Advisor Irengbam James Pon Mangang were the main guests on the occasion. 2 students from CC High Secondary School, Bachas Patimem Roshan Sharma from Science Stream and Achom Raujit Singh from Arts Stream were given the award for securing highest mark in this Class 12 examination 2019 conducted by COSEM. President of MSU Peter Laishram said the union is organizing such scholarship program for the first time this year and will continue it in future too. This scholarship will be given to the diligent and laudable students who make contribution towards ensuring well-being of the society and their families as well.
Activity amoina thabak thorom pangthokpa thau thorom yawba thau thorom thogai loba adugumba mairoi sing plus ta haiba mairoi sing ado imung manung da di lair boy jaraga masana ngamjana ba tala subunu ma tan jaraga adugumba hingna ba honari ba hasung asugumba ba polum mayam su puri ba laiwa ki dam su khali ba aduga merit chu laijaba adugumba mairoi sing dagi khangat laga adugumba ba haiba ngasigi scholarship se pibani ado nungyo ba famdi winning our struggle na ko ni ming thonjai se akoina Mahirosing the youth sings the Ahogi, Peter Tona sings a Peter Matunda, Hogi, Merit Obatanatana, Hogi, Makatara, Afava Tavok Tobuda, Natural Haga, Hogi, Activism Moina, Tok Tombashing, Torok Nabagi, Pandamda, Asigunova, Haiba, Merit Scholarship Awards, winning our struggle scholarship, Pizavani,
26th Foundation Day of Rinda publication was held at Manipur Press Club today. Arts and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar, former Registrar of National Sports University Kangzam Radha Kumar and Upapradhan of Lamjau Tongba Gram Panchayat Soibam Ibethoi Devi shared the dais at the event. At the event, Rajan Kumukcham released the half-yearly publication The Muse, Volume 10 and other 4 books. Speaking at the gathering, Minister L. Jayantakumar stated that the increase in the number of writers as compared to readers is mainly due to the fact that the present generation has apparently ignored the benefits of books. He assured that he will talk with the concerned authority to regenerate the habit of using library and encourage writers. Paradise Club Wangkai Imphal has celebrated its 65th Foundation Day at Wangkai Puja Ground today. Yai School Constituency MLA Thokchom Satyabrata attended the function as chief guest. Retired Lieutenant Colonel Dr. Tensubam Hemo and Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC Councillor Lokrakpam Ongbi Tombi Devi, retired IAS Officer Birendra Singh and IMC Councillor Yumlembam Ongbi Lukamani were the main guests of the event. The chief guest presented simple gift to the former office bearers of the local club, showing respect to them on the occasion. Speaking at the function, MLA Satyabrata urged each and every person to maintain certain principles in life, saying club members play immense role in bringing about welfare of a society.
Matangni matungina matangni khonglai matungina homong amada akhoina tawdanasu lai tawdabadi nate adu khitang hena tahoningba suggestion haijaba tare aigi apamadu phongdokjo hairagadi ngasi Paradise Club ki akoibada leibiriba magi jurisdiction da leibiriba jaga asida club sinda kari paikhatpa yari lairaba awaba Lejadaba kanai mating pangba apaba thabang ngatani adugi mathakta hena ngasi society sibu khumang chawsan hanba yabasi kari tawba yage haibadu.
The government has introduced the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill 2019 in the Lok Sabha amid vehement protests by opposition members who claim that it was violative of the constitution. The bill became the first legislation to be tabled in Parliament by the Narendra Modi dispensation in its second term, with Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad asserting the legislation was a must for gender equality and justice. Let's now have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
Shanghai Express. On Hill Leaders Day, Miyam Ginamit, Chief Minister says RBI ban likely to be lifted soon. Centre releases Rs 305 crore tax share. Kongsang Tamenglong road work to begin within 2 months. The People's Chronicle. President Kovind bats for NRC, CAB, any connectivity. Public discourse on financial crisis in Manipur held. RBI to lift ban soon. Donor okays Rs 176.43 crore project, says Chief Minister. Imphal Free Press. No power tussle within government but cabinet reshuffle will take place, says Chief Minister. Donor Minister proves projects amounting to Rs 176.43 crore for state. RBI ban on state financial transactions likely to be lifted soon, says Chief Minister. The Morning Bell. No power tussle in government. Ministry reshuffle likely after arrival of central team, says Chief Minister. RBI to lift ban on transaction very soon. Manipur University of Culture construction. Walker villagers set government June 27 deadline to resolve issue. Warrants to block construction. Thobal police seizes huge cache of Indian-made foreign liquor and beers. Manipuri diaspora from Myanmar, Bangladesh given grand reception. We are yet to cope up with ethnicity and culture of Manipur.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Cabinet to hold review meeting soon. RBI ban to be lifted, says Chief Minister N. Biren. Take the pledge of practicing yoga in everyday life, says Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah. And DM college students threaten agitation over shortage of teaching staff. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.